Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. It is a contemplation that reaches the end of our powers. Warmth in the experience of certainty, whatever it may be, will certainly be understood from our Guru's mouth. This is sure. The way that we look at things is the space of our wisdom. Awareness that is beyond hunting is a dominion that we perceive directly. It is beyond being an object for our origination, engagement, or visualization. In the arrow of the cave of the seal, there is the land of Kosha. It is a cave where the jeweled Dakinis go. It is the supreme abode for the ocean of our wisdom. Vajrasattva actually taught there. Then unto people who were further emanations, who were his heart children, he imparted the empowerment of the vase of royal investiture. Then he actually taught us an awareness of the heart. He organized us with samaya that are not to be protected. Then he went off into happiness to the land of total liberation. In a cave in the land of Varanasi, in the remote cavern of the many feathered sands. The primary objective for our champions is the land of Sala, where by the banks of the Nairanjana there is the construction of the vast transmission of Indra, where the kings of the Nagas, Ocean, Indra Bodhi, and all the others gradually engaged in a wisdom that has a birth and an ending. They imparted empowerments of implements and words. Then their 9 lineages fell into samsara. This, too, is the reverted path of signs. For the meanings of symbols, we use the special quality of our own awareness to unite with the meaning, which is that our own place does not go anywhere. If we had not encountered anything rough from the beginning, we would still be on a path of ideas that are serious concerns about empowerment and meditation. We are being led by a lineage that is attached to happiness, so we have no freedom. We have fallen into the abode of samsara. As for a shelter where there is no torment, it is present like the sky. We dwell eternally in a self-luminescent light. It is profound and difficult to examine. Its way is that of the ocean. Its virtues are inexhaustible.